Welcome to Brake Shack. This is our green laser grid pen. So basically you just put AA batteries in it, it unscrews, 2 AA's, screw that back in and you press the button and keep hold of it to operate it. You can adjust the distances between the dots with this little thing that turns on the end. This is our budget one, so it's more affordable. The only downside is you have to keep hold of the button to keep it working. So what we usually recommend is you can either put a bit of tape around it, and then when you don't want to use it anymore, just unscrew that a little bit, so the battery's no longer connected. Or you can get these little clamps. It's like a tripod, but it's got a clamp on it, and a lot of people put the clamp around the button, so you can hold it on the tripod, adjust it about. I think we'll try and get some in stock soon, there's tripods. But yeah, use one of those. So not only does it keep the button pressed, you can also aim it in the direction you want. Basically, the further you hold this back, the bigger the grid gets. Because obviously the grid comes out at an angle. So the further you hold it back, the bigger it gets. So you can easily fill a wall with it. So how it's supposed to work is, it needs to be dark or a little bit dimly lit. You face this at a doorway or wall, and you ask spirits to walk in front of it. And you can often see the shape. Imagine a human walking past, it completely block out the light, but with a spirit it doesn't fully block it out, only partially blocks it out. So you can often catch movement in the dots through these, so they really are good for ghost hunting. If you like one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.